almost lawn season, baby. So I got a couple quick life updates for you guys. I moved. It is not a close move. We actually moved zones. We completely abandoned warm weather, sun, Bermuda, to be with family here in cold, snowy Michigan. So we've got 3 young kids, 5 and under. Ultimately, it was a family decision. I know that if it affects my grass content and stuff, but as a dad, you gotta do what's best for the family, and then your career and work kind of comes second. So all that to say is I moved and we're starting this thing. I'm gonna start this channel to sort of be a vlog, documenting just what I got going around the property. It's a large property. We're about 1.2 acres here. It's just a blank slate. Basically, when it was built in 2017, they did absolutely nothing to the property ever since they moved in. So when we bought it, all the plants that they planted back in 2017 have never been trimmed, or really nothing was done with them. So we're gonna be clearing some woods, adding a potential garage in the future. So there's just so many things that I really wanted to document long form rather than just put them all in just my short form videos, and I think you guys can appreciate it and follow along with it. So I'm just gonna take you guys along for the ride. So that's what this is just kind of like a start off and a kickstart to a mini vlog series of just what I'm up to. Let's do this.